Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will be partnering with Boohoo and bringing you guys tons of inspo looks that are great for the holiday season, just in time to give you some inspiration for those parties or get-togethers or any kind of events. Even outside of the holiday season, these are looks that you can use no matter what you're doing, where you're going. I have something for each option. So let's get straight into the video. If you guys are familiar with my hauls or any of the looks you see on my Instagram, which is iam.simplysimone, if you're not already following me there, then go ahead and follow me. I share lots of stuff over there. But if you know me and you know my style, you know that I love a good midi dress. I love midi dresses and maxi dresses. In the summertime, I always got a maxi dress on. In the wintertime, I still love to wear dresses, so I love a good midi dress. Because personally for me, I like to have balance. So I like that. Midi dresses are really good to pair with some boots. You can pair it with some pumps as well. But I love a dress that just like subtly shows off your curves without doing too much. So it's kind of got like pinching in the neckline, which just kind of, I don't know if you can really see that, just kind of like brings a little something to the design of the dress. But yes, I love it. It's so cute. And I just paired it with some knee-high boots, which once again, because of the cooler months, it's good to just kind of like wear some knee-high boots with it so you can be nice and covered, not too cold. You can pair some black pumps or some nude pumps with it as well. Because it's cold, I like to pair it with some boots. And that is the first look. On to look numero dos. Okay, so this next piece is a little more like grown and classy, like maybe you're going to a nice formal dinner, a nice formal event, or maybe you're gonna go meet the parents for Christmas or any other holiday. So this is what obviously the dress looks like as it comes. I just paired it with a nude pump. So it goes, you can see, about mid-calf or so. So here's what I think about this dress. It's a bit much cleavage, so you could put something underneath here. But what I like to do with this dress, so this is how it comes. It looks really cute, really nice. But what I like to do is switch out this belt that it comes with and put like a thicker, chunkier belt with it. So I feel like this just kind of, I don't know, cinches it in a little better. You can kind of fix the fact that there's a lot of cleavage here by just kind of tucking it into the belt. And then for me, these sleeves, oh, I have my scrunchie. For me, these sleeves are a bit of an odd length. So I like to just kind of tuck that in and make it more of like a 3/4 length. And then it kind of breaks up the fact that it's just like a bunch of material and black. Just kind of breaks it up a little bit. And then I don't know if you guys can see, I just kind of layered some gold chains, put on a gold watch, some bracelets. And I think that just kind of makes it look so much cuter. So see, when you put this belt on with it, you can also kind of like pull this down so that you don't have as much cleavage showing, and it kind of just keeps the neckline in place a bit more. So I actually really love this. I don't have anything like this in my wardrobe. I think it's super sophisticated, but still very cute. Like I said, very classy. I love dressing like a lady. I mean, it's kind of like old school, but I love dresses. I love skirts. Like I don't know, I love that like classic feminine style. So I think that this dress definitely exudes ladylike ways and classiness, if any of that makes sense. All in all, I love this dress. I think it's so cute. It's still comfortable. It's not fitted. You don't have to wear like a fitted dress to kind of like be sexy and show off your style or your shape. Like you can still, you know, they're really cute. here we are with another one of my favorite style of dresses. This one is similar to the previous dress that I showed you guys, the cheetah print one, but I feel like even though this one is fitted, it's a bit more relaxed. And as you can see, there's a slit in the back, and I still paired it with some boots just because it's the cooler months, but of course you can pair it with an array of different shoes. This one has a bit more of a turtleneck vibe, like it has a fold over turtleneck, why can't I say that? Fold over turtleneck. So you can make it even more covered and higher. Actually, that looks kind of cute. I like that. Covered like that. And then the sleeves have a bit of detailing. It's kind of like a slightly little puff sleeve. So I feel like this one is more of like a fashiony vibe. Like this one would look really cute with like a super slick long ponytail, because you have I don't know why I'm doing this, like that helps you envision a ponytail, but because you have this like high turtleneck and these puff sleeves, it would just kind of like, I don't know, be like a cool vibe, like a cool like fashiony vibe, but whatever. But this one is really cute too, like I said. It's black and white, and it's like, I guess, an animal print as well. This is more of like a, I don't know, what is this? Like a crocodile kind of print, or like a python. It's like a black and white python kind of print. Either way, I think it's super cute. I actually really love how high this turtleneck is right here. I like to pick outfits that are very versatile, that you can wear, you know, at various times of the year and to different events. You want to pick pieces that are going to give you a lot of uses, which is why I love Boohoo, because they're affordable, but then I also get to choose pieces that are, you know, somewhat trendy but are still gonna be cool like next year. Like I don't ever like to follow trends and buy things that are just like cute right now. Like I would wear this dress several years from now. Like this is always going to be a style that I gravitate to because it's very flattering, it's really cute, and it's really versatile. And it shows your curves without doing too much. So what I love about these dresses too is that these are the perfect dresses to pair with like a really cute leather jacket, and it just kind of brings the whole vibe of the outfit to another level. I feel like a nice leather jacket is a staple in your wardrobe because, once again, it's so versatile. It can be paired with so many different looks. I love pairing a leather jacket with some boots and a dress in the cooler months, and it just kind of makes it more casual or more edgy, or just gives it, like I said, a little something else to the look. So you can pair this with a cheetah print one too, and it still looks really cute. Okay, so this look is for those of you who maybe don't really like to dress up that much but still want to be put together, or maybe you're going to like a more chill, kind of like casual type of vibe. This is really cute because I just paired it with some basic high-waisted jeans and just put it on with some classic black pumps. But what makes this top really cute and unique, I don't know if you can tell on camera, but so it's like, you know, a whole button up, kind of like a cardigan, but it's kind of like a thicker kind of t-shirt material, and it's ribbed. You can see that it's ribbed, but the sleeves are sheer, so that kind of dresses it up a little bit. And then it has this end piece that is the same material as the rest of the top, so it's kind of like your classic white t-shirt and jeans look, but dressed up into like a shirt cardigan-ish type of vibe. And I say that because it's like a shirt material, but obviously because of the button-up style, it's like a cardigan, and then it has these cool sleeves. So this is like simple, easy breezy, no fuss, no thought about it. You still look really nice and presentable and put together, but you literally put like no effort into it because it's just, you know, a little top and jeans. Like I like looks that don't make me think too much. Like I don't want to think too hard about how I want to dress. I just want it to come together seamlessly. Don't always happen, but looks like this is like so easy and classic where you really can't go wrong. Okay, so here's like another chill look. I absolutely love maxi sweaters when it's kind of like not super cold but still a little bit chilly. These are great to put on to go out, or these are awesome to wear under a long coat as like another layer. Just kind of gives it like a pop of color or just some extra warmth. But when in doubt, go with, once again, a classic white t-shirt. I kept on the same jeans. It's just a really easy piece you can wear with jeans, you can wear with pants, you can wear with a really cute dress. Like I wear these in all different kind of ways, but you know, the easiest classic way to do it is with some jeans and a t-shirt. So that's what I did. And it comes down, you guys can see, comes down pretty low. So especially if you don't like to, you know, show the butt, these are really cute too, because, you know, kind of covers without looking like you're swimming in a bunch of clothes. And like I said, it gives that nice pop of color. It's so soft and comfortable. It's like wearing a blanket around and still being cute. That's like the vibe that you get. It's cozy, comfy, warm, but still really cute. And then I just like to kind of like tuck, do like a half tuck of my shirt. I'll show you guys how I do. You can wear it out like this if you want, or I just like to do a little tuck. So I kind of just twist it and then tuck it in, and that just kind of like prevents you from losing your shape. When it's just like kind of straight, it just kind of swallows you and makes you look bigger than you are. But if you kind of tuck it a little bit, or you can totally tuck it in, it just kind of shows that you do have a waist and some curves. You're not boxy, and if you are boxy, it will kind of like give the illusion of waist and curves. Okay guys, so this one is like way so far out of my comfort zone, but I was like, you know what, let me try a little something different and let's see how it goes. So I never ever wear anything this short. I definitely don't ever wear anything this sparkly, but I'm actually pleasantly surprised with how this turned out. So what I did was pair it with some sheer black tights. You can do like some opaque tights, and then I put it with some boots because, you know, it's already short, showing a lot of legs. I can't, like, this is a lot. I don't ever show up here and down here, so we got to do some kind of balance. But like I said, this is really cute. Honestly, I feel like I need to be on stage performing with like Tina Turner or Beyonce. This seems like a very like performance type piece. Rolling on the river. That's what I feel like I should be doing on stage in this dress, but it's cute. So hit the link and get it. Or it's really cute for like New Year's. If you're going to like a fun New Year's party, you want to dress. It's super comfortable. It's not like tight. So I'll show you guys up close. So it is like a really soft velvety material. It's very stretchy. Then it has these like faux diamonds on here, and then it's got like these sparkly glittery dots all over. One of the main things that I do love about this dress is I love the neckline. So I'm all about an off the shoulder or sweetheart neckline, so I think that's what attracted me to this dress. The sleeves are really cool too, so it's a little tricky when you put it on, but it has this like overlay piece right here, and then you slip your arms into the sleeves. So you got to slip your arms carefully into this part and then slip it through the other two parts. But like I said, it's super soft, comfortable. It's very different. Like, it's a very unique dress, definitely a special occasion dress, and it's fitted without being like super tight, which is good because since it's so short, you don't want it to be like short and like extra tight, because then that's just like doing too much and it's already doing a lot. But with it being just kind of like an easy, comfortable, velvety material that isn't tight but just kind of like, you know, fits your body well. And these sleeves, it's so cute. This is definitely like, I could see my daughter wearing this. I do feel like I'm a little bit not the appropriate age to be wearing this dress, but some of you guys are younger that watch my channel. So, I mean, younger, older, it really doesn't matter. I don't focus on age. I focus on how you feel, how you look, how your clothes fit, whatever looks good on your body, right? Let me know, would you guys wear this dress or not? Do you think it's age appropriate or is it not? Let me know. I'm sure you guys will have your opinions. So this is it, you guys. This is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed all of these looks. It wasn't anything too much, not a ton of looks, just, you know, a few core pieces that are versatile that you can wear to multiple, you know, outings or events. Of course, everything is linked below. I put my sizes in case you kind of need to use me as a way to gauge your style. But yeah, hope you guys have an awesome holiday or, you know, awesome events, whatever you are doing. And make sure you're subscribed, make sure you hit the notification bell. If you're not following me on Instagram at iam.simplysimone, make sure you are doing that. And let me know what you guys think. Let me know if you would wear any of these outfits. Would you kind of switch them up and do something different with them? Are you guys gonna order any of these looks? Because you guys know, okay, a lot of times I'll wear a look in a video after doing a haul and you guys are like, oh my God, where'd you get that top? Where'd you get that dress? And I'm like, it was in my previous haul video. So if you see something that you like, make sure to get it now. There's always tons of sales going on because these pieces go really, really fast, especially with it being the holiday season. So like I said, let me know what you think. Let me know if you're gonna purchase any of these, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.